Hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Joyfully Art. You can see that I have two 8x10 canvases today. And what I'm going to do, let me see, show you my ninja swipe from my last video. It turned out so pretty. There's the top and here's the bottom. I can't get it all in on my camera, but it turned out so pretty. Let me show it to you this way, that way you can see it all. It turned out gorgeous. It dried beautifully. All the colors showed up. I'm so happy with this one. So what I decided to do was to do two more ninja swipes of the same color and everything to go with it. And I decided to use 8x10s so that it would be a contrast to the long one. So they'll go on both sides or up and down, you know, whichever, whoever buys it, they have their choice of however they want to hang it, or like this, and then they can go on the ends, whatever they choose. So, stay there. I better lay that down, it's going to fall. So that's what we're doing today. So I hope everything goes well. First off, I'm going to put down our base coat, which is titanium, unbleached titanium. Let me check real quick. I think it's over here. It's Artist Loft. Artist Loft unbleached titanium. I'm going to put the base coat down on both of them at the same time, but I will put the colors down and swipe one at a time. And hope they don't go everywhere. I already had my colors mixed up from, I did have to make more of my base color, but had the colors mixed up from my last pour. I love these swipes, this ninja swipe, because it just gives you the freedom to just throw your paint wherever you want and however you want to make the design. I just go wild with it, and I just love how they turn out. They're so beautiful, especially if you get your colors right. And I said I just made this, so I'm going to have to torch it a lot to get the air bubbles out. There's that one. Let's move this one over a little bit so I don't get my thumb or anything in that one. And I'll move it back over when I go to do it so you get full screen of it. Hope everybody's doing well and staying safe like you're all supposed to. I was hoping by this time that this virus would be dead and gone, but it seems like it's hanging on longer than we all expected it to. I can finish doing my sides after it's all taken care of. That way you don't have to watch all of that. Put that right there. Let's give it a torch. Get rid of air bubbles. I don't want no divots in the paint after it's dry. Let's get rid of these while we can. There we go. All right. So we're going to use the same paint. I'm just going to make smaller puddles. This is burnt umber. This is pewter. And I'll have down in the description box who they're by. I can't remember right off. Most of them are Artist Loft, I believe. This is sap green. Naples yellow, light hue. This is green, yellow, light. And this is permanent rose. There we go. All right, let's see what kind of mess we can make with this one. Oh, just one moment. I want to grab my catalyst tool, my wedge, so I can use it also. I don't probably have to swipe this one too hard. It's not going very far on this smaller canvas. Give that a minute to kind of fill in a little bit. Okay. Let's see what we can get with this one. I wanted some little ones going up here. Be out there. That looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it just like that, I think. Let's see, we can get one going up through here a little bit. Get rid of some of this green that is bunched up at the bottom. I like the little tiny ones up at the top. Makes it look so pretty. Get a swirl or two in there. Okay, let's leave this one like that and see how much it fills in. I might have to come back the same order that I did that one in. Word. They all look about the same. I love this permanent rose. It's one of my favorite colors. And I got a little bunch of that one, but that's okay. Hand wiped off. All right, here goes this one. I hope you can see okay. Let's move this one over a little bit. Bring this one up. All right, here we go. Off a little bit. All right. I think these are really good. I hope they look good with the other painting. I hope you like them at least. Let's see, got a part up here. Like I said, I'm gonna have to fill in the sides after I turn off the camera. So I'm sure you don't want to sit and watch that. I'm gonna give them another torch just to make sure that we got all the air bubbles. All right, I think they look great. I love every one of them. Here's this one at a close-up, if you can see it pretty well. And here's this one. I think this one's really great. It's just very minimal compared to the other ones, but I really like it. All right, guys, I think that's it for today. Get my hands wiped off. Thanks for watching. Share with your family and friends or anybody you think would enjoy this video. I appreciate all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. Thank you for coming and sharing time with me. All my information is in the description box below every video. Give me a thumbs up, please, and like my video. It sure does help me with YouTube, in my placement with YouTube. I do commission work, so if there's anything you want me to do, just give me an email or message me and we'll work out the details. I have an Etsy shop and I'm on Facebook. I have my Facebook page, JoyfullyArt. So if there's anything you want, just get a hold of me and we'll work something out. And that's about it for today. Thank you all, and as always, please have a great day.